YouTube's boy Ace, welcome back to my channel. Today we got some more Diana, and this is my Fireplace, one of my favorite songs on the album. And it's a real reason that you guys didn't see a reaction from it, because I listened to it before I can get to reaction. I had one more reaction off the album, and it was this one. I just never reacted to it because I ended up listening to it, so I didn't want to fake a reaction. So either way, this is one of my favorite ones. When I was like, which song you think she should do a music video to, I think it's this song. I just love this song for some reason. It just, I don't know, it's not my favorite on the album, but it's definitely one of my favorites up there. But either way, much love Diana, and make sure you guys go over there to her channel, which will be down in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to her, and let's get straight into it, man. Let's go.
Запах кофе смешался с туманом. Осень снова бросает листву. Тонкой струйкой дым от камина заполняет вокруг пустоту. Голос хриплый, как будто простужен, и желание просто молчать. Ты был раньше отчаянно нужен, не могла без тебя я дышать, а я теперь вне зоны доступа.
That's why. I love this song, bro. Like, this is the song that like I put on repeat. This the one. I repeat this song so much. That's one of the reasons why. I love this song. The geniuses behind this song. Salute to you. And salute to Diana.
Могла без тебя я дышать, а я теперь вне зоны доступа. Мне без тебя вдруг стало просто так. Есть у разлуки привкус горечи, он смешан с запахом листвы, вдыхая струйку тишины. Я мысли прячу в новой полночи, а мой камин еще горит. Утро новым разбудит рассветом, солнце медленно гонит туманы. Будет найдено много ответов, только сердце не верит словам. Выпадает в бокале осадком.
That's impressive too, though. The fact that she sounds just like the daggone record. When you start giving credit too, when you start watching like live videos, like when you hear a song from now on, this goes to everybody. It don't just have to be Dion. Listen, when you listen to anybody else that sings, listen to the record and then listen to them sing it live. If it don't match live, we call that in America studio singers, or aka studio artists. So if they don't match the live performance, they are studio artists, meaning that's where they sound the best at on the studio. They're not meant for performing. They just meant to make good music in the studio, aka they can't really sing. Sorry, but I ain't calling nobody out for not being able to sing, though. I'm just saying that's what, if they don't sound the same, and that's what it is, you know. But much love to her, because she sounded the exact same, so that's crazy. Shout out to her. Well, that really ain't crazy, because I already knew that, but I'm just saying. To the people out there who's watching this for the first time, watching me for the first time, and don't know who Diana is, all her videos sound the same as the record. She sounds no different. That's what makes her a great artist.
Непростая осенняя грусть, осень мысли приводит в порядок. Точно знаю, к тебе не вернусь, а я теперь вне зоны доступа. Мне без тебя вдруг стало просто так. Есть у разлуки привкус горечи, он смешан с запахом листвы, вдыхая струйку тишины. Я мысли прячу в новой полночи.
I like that part right there, like how she switched it up right here.
а мой камин еще горит. А мой камин еще горит. Есть у разлуки привкус горечи. Он смешан с запахом листвы, вдыхая струйку тишины. Я мысли прячу в новой полночи, а мой камин еще горит.
You got to go on time out. Stop smiling. Ain't nobody smiling with you. It ain't even nothing funny. There's nothing funny. What are you smiling for? I don't want to see you smile. No. You sing like that and perform like that, I don't want no smiling, bro, because I can't do it. So I don't want to see you smiling because I can't do it. If I can't do it, it ain't funny. You know, I feel like you try to flex on me or something. No, that's my favorite song on the whole entire album, though. Maybe. I don't know. I got mixed emotions, man. That's how good it is, though. It's like one day that might be your favorite. The next day it could be a different song. That's just how it is with that. I just love that song, though, man. If she ever film a video to that, that'd be one of the best videos, bro. Because there's so many things you can do with that song, bro, and so many directions you can go with it. I just love that song. I just love it. So, shout out to Diana, man. It's all love over here. Much love from the U.S. to Russia, man. Russia, you definitely got a great artist, and I just want to see her do great, man. I want to see her be big and blow up because she has the talent to do so. So I don't know why people tripping. Maybe they scared. Who knows? Oh well, they're lost. But maybe one day, and hopefully y'all keep supporting her. She's definitely gonna blow up, man. So much love to her, and I hope she keep doing her thing. If she ever see this, much love to you and all your people that help with the album too. Much love to y'all guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next video though, man. It's your boy Ace, and peace out to y'all, man. Be easy.